Plan to Eat is a place for you to collect your recipes, add them to your meal plan, and we'll make your shopping list for you. Plan to Eat is available on desktop, iOS, and Android. Log into your account on any of these devices, and all of your recipes, meal plans, and shopping lists will be waiting for you. Plan to Eat has 3 main sections: Cook, Plan, and Shop. Plan to Eat is a place for you to collect and organize your recipes. Whatever your eating preferences, wherever you like to get your recipes, however you like to cook, you can collect recipes that are perfect for you, from anywhere. Customize them however you like, and collect them all right here. The desktop version allows for the recipe clipper, which will allow you to collect recipes while browsing websites and save them to your recipe book with one click. The recipe clipper can be installed into most desktop browsers by following the instructions on the Install Our Recipe Clipper page. Recipes that you find online can also be added by copying the URL, navigating back to the Plan to Eat app, and selecting the Import Recipe from Web option. Paste the URL into the import box, and the recipe will be brought into your Plan to Eat account. You can also add recipes from your personal collection or printed recipe books. The desktop version also allows you to import recipes from a file exported from many other recipe applications, or collect and share recipes with other Plan to Eat users using the Friends feature. Recipes can be categorized by course, cuisine, and main ingredient in any way that you like. Tags bring flexibility to your organization by allowing you to organize recipes into a group, regardless of the category. Adding this information allows you to use the filters and easily find your recipes. In the desktop version, you can share recipes with other Plan to Eat users through the Friends tab. The Friends section is where you go to view your friends' recipes, save them to your account, or send friend requests. Once you have a few recipes, create your meal plan on the planner. Plan from the app by viewing your planner, selecting a day, pressing the Add Recipe button, selecting all the recipes that you want to plan, selecting a meal, and then pressing the Add button. On the desktop version, you'll see your recipes on the left-hand side and your planning calendar on the right. Use the handle icon to drag and drop your recipes onto a specific mealtime and date. You can plan as much or as little as you'd like. Many users have hundreds of recipes saved to their recipe book and use the queue to help them plan from a smaller group. Add recipes into your queue to make it easier to find those recipes when you're planning. The servings toggle allows you to see the number of servings for each of your planned recipes and allows you to adjust them. Changes made to your serving size here will change the quantities on your shopping list. In the app, the servings can be changed by selecting a planned recipe and editing the planned servings. The Share Meal Plan options allow you to add feeds to view your recipes, ingredients, or notes in your favorite calendar software. The Meal Planner options allow you to customize your desktop experience. This includes show or hide meal times, the starting day of the planner, whether or not to include nutritional data on your planner, and your time zone. Menus help you save a group of recipes, ingredients, and events already on your planner to use in the future. Once you save a menu, you can drag it onto your planner just like a recipe, and your entire saved menu will be added to your planner. You can create menus from your planner for one day, one meal, for a full week, or even an entire month. The ingredients from your planned recipes will automatically create your shopping list. Click the Shop button and set the date range that you're shopping for to view your list. You can edit your list to include additional items, remove the ones that you already have, and place items into specific categories and stores to get everything in the list where you want it. The Staples list is a list of items that will not appear on your shopping list because they aren't ingredients in recipes. This might be things like trash bags, paper towels, or shampoo. Before heading to the store, select the Staples list items that you need and copy them to your shopping list. Go to the store knowing that your list has everything that you'll need. You can print your list or view it in the app, which allows you to cross off items as you shop. We know this is a lot of information, and we're here to help you get up and running quickly. If you ever need help, click the Help or Support buttons for help articles or to contact us with questions. We're happy to help. Plan to Eat is free for the first 30 days. There is no credit card required to start your free trial and no obligation or anything to remember to cancel if you decide that Plan to Eat is not for you. At the end of your free trial, you'll have the option to start an annual subscription for $39 or a monthly subscription for $4.95. Having everyone gathered around a nutritious meal won't happen without a plan, and we'd love to help you make it happen. It's time to eat real food. It's time to eat together. plantoeat.com.